It's great to be in your presence. It's more than a sensation or a feeling. You abide in the hearts of your believers to be with us forever. The Brahmoki universe, your chosen kids, the spirit of truth whom the world cannot receive. For most does not behold you, because they don't know you. But we, the noblesse, knows you, loves you, so you abide within us and will be with us day and night. A life of surrender, yielding oneself to God's control, applying by heart the OPM, OPR, a way of God life as per command of MPOY for character repair. You are the Alpha and Omega, symbolize as zero. We would feel being lonely, have fear or rejection because of your Holy Trinity is with us. One, two, three. The power to unite with mind, body, soul, and spirit. So equal six. Strengthen your armies in the third world as revealed a solid foundation. So it is for your mystery is beyond imagination. We must really desire sincerely to be under your government so that you will give us wisdom abundantly without any reproach to fight all evil forces that attack us and to live our life in full greatness for perpetuity. So all I can say, thank you so much, blessed name. Thank you so much, Jesus Joseph. Thank you so much, God Almighty. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my Holy Trinity family loves